What is up, everybody? Golden Holden here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Universal. So we're just going to open this machine up, and in here we have our machine, the chemicals that come with it. This one has surface activator, electro-clean, and the nickel, and then we have a 4-ounce gold, a 24K 4-ounce gold, and then we have a pen gold, a 1-ounce pen gold, and these both have the same concentrate, just this one is for fine plating and this one's for brush plating. So this one's pen plating and brush plating. Then we have our handles, our safety equipment, and a beaker, and we have our power supply. We have a quick start guide, and then all the tips, the sleeves, and the bits that you will need for plating. So when you open this kit on the quick start guide, you should have a nickel test plating piece and a gold one just to see what it looks like. And you should always use these test pieces to see if your machine's gold is working. I'm going to open this up and set it up. You'll get your power supply, and right in the back you'll plug in your power supply just right there, and then plug this part of your power supply in, and you'll open it all up and plug it into the wall. So we'll turn on our machine once it's plugged in, and you can see that it is working and the voltage is working. And now we are going to open up our handle set. Take that out. Here's our extra beaker. We'll open up our handles. All right. Now we can plug in our blue here, our green here, and our red. We'll take this common lead, plug it into the common port, open up your beakers, and this red one does come pre-soaked, the sleeve does, with the gold. And then this is where your pen gold would go. And that is the Universal all set up and everything plugged in. All right, this has been unboxing the Universal plater. If you want to see more videos on this, we have more on our YouTube of us using it. And if you have any questions, go to our website and you can contact us there. And thanks for watching.